And what up, gang? It's your boy, Wavy6, back at you with another episode. I just came out of work. Just want to show you real guys my progress and how I break a fork. This one right here, how to 540. If you guys see my videos before, how to 540 with slanted. Right now I'm creating a 360 hybrid, 360 swirl. So this is my main fork. I cut it to 2. It's getting better. Based before, if you guys watch my videos, it's getting way better. So I'm changing my angles, the way that I brush, because I'm losing weight and my hair is getting a little smaller. Even though if you trust me, you guys, when you lose weight, your head shape gets smaller. I'm using a medium and I'm using a soft Torino and Crown. It's one of my favorite brands. And I'm gonna do a small section. Let's see. Right here. This will be right there. See where my brush is? Right here. So what I'm doing, I'm pulling this one and this one, pulling it downward. So it can line up right here like this. It can make the circle downward. It takes time, man. You just gotta dedicate some time to it. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I want to be elite. So, if you want to be elite, you gotta go win. You see where I'm pulling? Right there. We'll do it slow. Right here. Forward. 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 I'm gonna use the help of the brush. Forward. Forward. I'm pressing a little bit down the brush. Because my medium brush is not medium, it's like medium soft. So, and I'm only using this right here, this half. The only half that I'm using. And I'm pulling from here. You see, I'm pulling from here forward. You see, from here forward. So it can create the circle. How I figure that out? Improvising and brushing and brushing. That's the only way that you're gonna know your hair. You gotta. I'm brushing slow because I'm trying to break that fork. You know what I'm saying? So when you brush fast, you could create a fork. And I'm breaking a fork. I want to get another fork. It's easy to get a fork, but it's hard to get it out. It's getting there little by little. Just gotta be patient. Then just do little taps. Remember, your crown's gonna get messed up, so you're always gonna finish with a little tap. Right here. So once I finish this right here, that's it. All I gotta do is just maintenance and work on my crown a little bit on this side. The main reason why I'm brushing, dedicating more time here, right here in this section, because this is where I had the 540 slanted. So that's where I create a big fork. Because now I'm going clockwise, 360 swirl, before I had a 540. And right here, just dedicating a little bit of time too. because I cut my hair into 2. So the hair that you got below, that's the one that you gotta train the hardest, and that's the hair that when you 4 weeks or 5 weeks, depends how long you're wolfing, you're gonna have to cut it. So I realized that I'd rather wolf 4 weeks, because after 4 weeks my hair gets over curl. I don't like when my hands get over curl. I feel like I'm gonna lose all my waves. So I'd rather just do 4 weeks and just cut it down to 2 again, and so on. And that's the way that for me, that's the way it's working. You know, every 4 weeks it's working for me. You know what I'm saying? How to maintain my waves the right way. I'll give you guys a tip from experience. You know, I'm not the best waver, you know what I'm saying? I'm a rookie, I just started, but what I learned from the wave game is that when you get a fork, the reason how you get a fork is you brushing the wrong way. And I always ask you simple. When you brushing one way, make sure you be consistent with the same pattern. If you brush like this one day, keep it like that. Don't come one day, go like this, and then go like this. You gotta keep it steady. You gotta keep it one line. If you're gonna go straight, go straight. Don't go straight and then zigzag. It's not gonna work, because you're confusing your hair, and then you're gonna create a fork. Not only one, probably gonna create more than 3 forks. Thank God, you know what I'm saying? Since I started, when I had a 360 beehive, I realized that my hair was not for a beehive, and I couldn't get a beehive though. Since I got an off-center crown, you know, I don't know if you guys know RG3. She's a female waver. Her crown is off-center like mine's in 360 Easy. So you gotta flow with your crown. You gotta find out how is your crown. Is it counterclockwise or counterclockwise or clockwise? So that's what I realized, you know what I'm saying? It took me a couple of months to realize that, because I was a new waver, but I started, you know, learning the game, and I started watching my pattern and look how my hair grows, and that's what God gave me. I gotta deal with it, you know what I'm saying? If I get bored out of this one, I'm gonna go to 360 beehive, which is RG3. She got it, which is 360 like this. You know what I'm saying? Going from here like that. So it's different. So that's gonna be my new pattern. But so far, I see the progress in this one. So I think I'm gonna stick to it. I'm just gonna perfect it. And, you know, teach new wavers and whoever want to watch my videos, and you know, I'm gonna teach whatever I know, and everything that I learned. I could teach the guys who's coming up in the wave game. That's why we're here, help each other out. Saying look good outside. Who don't want to have a dope pattern? I want to have a dope pattern. Right now, that's the reason why I spend a lot of time brushing in the bathroom. That's the main reason why. always gotta do a little crown work too. That's part of your routine. Every time you do a section, it don't matter if it's soft brush, plastic bag, whatever the case is. Go a little bit in your pattern and your crown. Every time you finish, go a little bit. That's gonna help you out with the definition, you know what I'm saying? Your crown's gonna look better. Take your time, you know what I'm saying? I'm taking my time brushing, so I want to know what I'm doing. I'm taking my time. I'm not gonna make the video longer, but I'm gonna keep brushing after this. Alright my peoples, that was a small section with the median. I'm gonna continue brushing. And I'm gonna keep my progress keep going, and I'm gonna show you guys, you know what I'm saying, for the future. I'll probably be elite, maybe one more year I give myself, but stay focused, just keep brushing. That's the main key, you know what I'm saying. Forget about pomades, oils, the keys to brush. This is your main key. This and your common sense. That's it. That's all you need. All right my G's, stay safe, peace and love, stay out of trouble, keep making money, or you wavy. I'm out of here.